Morning. Welcome to another episode. Going to do something a little bit different today. Forecast is 37, so we're going to wade instead of taking the kayak. Keep a bit cool. You guys know I'm not really big on wading, but slowly improving this game, so hopefully we can find some fish. Mainly looking for flathead, I guess, but I'll take anything I can find. So we'll see you on the water.
Yes, gotcha. Happy Yeti.
I've walked a whole like 10 meters, no, maybe 30 meters, and there are fish everywhere. Brought up a big schooler grunter on the first cast. There's a lot of big mullet out there. I mean, nothing to catch yet, but man, there is a lot of life on this flat. Very cool. We've definitely hit that cast. Was it a blowy? Probably. But you know. Have another cast through the same area, see if we can catch it on camera. Our first flatty for the day. I wasn't sure what it was. Oh! He obviously just swam with me. Suddenly decided he didn't like that idea. Hey. Hooray, I caught a fish. Interesting, cast in closer to shore, caught a fish. You guys have nasty sharp teeth. All right. We'll get the hook out of you. There he is. I do want to keep flathead, but I don't know if I want to keep this one because it's pretty early. All right, I'm going to stick him in my bag. Oh man, there's this tiny little hole just there, and I thought I'll just plop over that, and I hooked a fish in it, but it got off. Because I was too busy fluffing around with the camera, I didn't set the hook hard enough. Let's see if he'll have another go. I reckon that was a good fish too. Weed. Oh, that's disappointing. The life of a YouTuber, losing fish because you're trying to get footage. Sucks. We've got something. I suspect it might be a blowy though. Although it's not really bad. Oh no. I don't know. Let's not make any guesses. Nah, it's a blowy. Disappointing. I love it how you guys don't even get the hook in. It feels less like a blowy. Gotcha. No, now it feels like a blowy again. Gone harder than the average blowy. What do we got? A trumpeter. Okay, well that's different. All right. I don't want to hook in my finger. I know you don't want to hook in you either. Just about hooked up your bum hole. That's got to be uncomfortable. Pulled 2 fish out of this hole, I might as well have another go. See what else is in there. Whoa. Hooked something a long way out. It's pulling alright. What have we got? I'm going to say that it's either a very small flatty, could be a blowy again. I'd say it's a flatty the way it's going around me. It seems to be a flatty habit. Nope, it's a grunter. Well, we're doing well on species count. Off you go, buddy. Whenever this hit it hard. Oh, got off again. I've got to start setting the hooks harder. Oh, man. Alright, whatever we got here, fairly belted it, and I've set the hooks on it properly. It's a nice flatty. Good flatty, actually. Other than that, okay, on a flatty, not bad. Might put him in a bag with the other one. Alright, there's a nice sandy hole just up there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's probably 20 meters away. So I'm going to have a few casts at that. And then it's pretty well timed, so we're going to turn around and head back along in closer to shore. Both of the fish I've caught have been casting closer to shore, so maybe that'll make a difference. Anyway, we'll see you along the way. Got a good one. It took the GoPro a while to turn on, so I've already got it to me, but that's alright. I decided I'd swap over to a hard body for the walk home. Calm down, buddy. So I'm using a, there you go, let me concentrate on getting the fish and then we'll talk. There we go. Using an X-wrap. And that was exactly where I expected to find fish. I don't know if you can see there's a little narrow creek sort of way through between the weed patches there. And I went, yep, that looks like a fish highway. Sure enough, first cast, wham bam. Let's see if we can get this hook out here without getting anything in there. That would be great. If we can get the hook out of you without putting hooks or spikes in there. Stopped to look at my phone and a big old bluey come up and looked at my toes like he was going to give him a nibble. Tempted to try and catch him, but I think I'll leave him alone. Alright, so here they are. Lady fingers for dinner tonight. And the problem with this bag is the gill spikes get stuck in the bag. It makes it very hard to get out. That's the big one. And 2 smaller ones. And they will definitely be dinner tonight. Although I do have a piece of beef I'm supposed to be cooking, but anyway. There you go, big guy. Goes the best part of 42 centimetres. If he didn't keep sliding. Alright, so I'm closing out the episode there. Heading home, I'm pretty happy with that. Someone who doesn't really catch flathead, to get 3 and one of them at 42 centimetres, that's pretty good. Happy with that. Nice way to spend a couple of hours on the water. And I don't think it's 37 degrees. Alright, we will see you next time.